How to find true beauty. Want to find true beauty inside of people? Want to find friends who have amazing personalities? Read more to find out how. Steps. 1. Try to be open to new things. If you're not open to new things, you're never going to meet people who are trying new things too, and that's a great way to find fun people. 2. Have fun. If you're not having fun, create fun. Many people are pulled into fun atmospheres and pushed away from boring ones due to positive and negative energy in the air. Who wants to hang out with someone who creates negative energy? 3. Find yourself. If you don't know who you are, it may be very hard to find other people who like the same things. You may have trouble having fun, like in the last step, if you don't know what you like. And most importantly, if you can't find yourself, how are you going to find anyone else? 4. Don't judge a book by its cover. If you want to get to know someone, don't push them away because they don't look good or dress nice. Sometimes the best people hide behind the worst faces. 5. Don't push people away. It will be difficult to make friends if nobody can get close to you. Pushing friends away is one of the worst things you can do. 6. All in all, be yourself. No one will like you if you're acting like someone you're not. Be yourself and you'll find more people like you, and you can all learn from each other.